My name is Iman. I am 13 years old and I'm from Malaysia. Whenever I tell people that I'm homeschooled, there is one question they will always ask me. Isn't homeschooling boring? Well, I have the same answer. Homeschooling is definitely not boring. Here are 5 ways I made homeschooling not boring. Being homeschooled, I have the freedom to learn wherever I want, whether it be in my room or outside on top of a hill. The whole world is my classroom. This makes homeschooling more fun as I am not always sitting at a desk for 6 hours. Picking up a new hobby or skill is a great way to keep yourself busy and happy. With all various sports that I have joined, like horseback riding, badminton, speed skating, it's hard to be bored. Scheduling a field trip to the museum, the park, or even another country keeps homeschooling way much more fun and interesting. Besides learning online with Wolsey Hall, I have enrolled in several other classes. On Wednesday, I have creative writing class, and on Friday, I have speech and world studies club. On the days that I don't have sports or classes, I have time to hang out with my friends and family. Homeschooling allows me to have a flexible schedule, giving me more time to make plans with people. Thankfully, I can do all this without falling behind on studies with Wolsey Hall's help, as tutors and set programs of study keep me on track. All the homeschoolers out there, I hope these tips will make homeschooling fun and interesting. Thank you for watching.